so indecisive? Why you gotta be, yeah. I just wanna stop all the fighting. And you don't know what you want. And you don't know what you're fighting for. And baby, you're the one, the only one that I adore.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are installing this beautiful unit from Westkiss Hair. It's a 24 inches 5x5 closure unit and everything is pretty much done for you. So if you're a beginner, I thought that this would be the perfect wig for you. It pretty much came already done. It came pre-bleached. The knots were plucked already and it's pretty much been like hot combed down. As you can see, it's kind of like basically already flat. I'm gonna go in and further flatten it, but it's pretty much done for you, and the curls look luscious, like and you can definitely wear this glueless. The wig comes with a really nice tight headband. I'm gonna go in with my second spray now. I'm not going to use too much spray only because I know that this wig is like pre-secured already. And I don't think I need to do much to it at all, honestly. So I'm just going to do it quite. Yeah, I'm going to press my comb into the hairline just to kind of secure it.
I remember back then I couldn't get no love. Had to go and get my funds up. Stack two, all my money runs up. Pray keeps on coming in abundance. This temptation causing me all of this complication. Coming like
I've got on a headband just to kind of knot it a bit more while we are waiting. Okay, like I said, it's pretty much everything's pretty much done like for you, but just so it kind of like fits my head and it's as flat as.
Seen a little bit of loving and she's all in her mind.
Use a tad bit of this, just so it's like
Take a moment and then we can make a toast. When you're ready we can head down to mine. Breaking bread with the guys. Been a while but my people know I'm solid from the days that we've been on our grind. Put it all on the line. Was a boy when I saw my first stack, but I didn't even think it was mine. It came easy but that wasn't an achievement. I've really put in work and then I speak it how I see it. How I seen it. You already know. Now I got these people dancing through the stereo. Trying to get this paper. I say fuck a hater. Only making time when it's Lizzie or a main one. Telling me you ain't one. I seen all the fake love. Crying all these times.
This is a very quick install because there honestly isn't much to do. Like I've only probably been sitting here for like 10 minutes. So, and even less than. So you honestly don't have to do too much for this wig, which I love. And I just feel like right now, like I've actually been loving Westkiss hair. It has like kind of become very quickly one of my favorite installs. From either whenever like I get their wigs, when it's black, it's like jet black, like it's like jet black. And then the lace is pretty good, and I feel like I never really have to do too much. You can easily like install a Westkiss hair in my opinion by yourself, even if you're not an expert.
Fuck love, I just want loyalty. You'll be lucky to get more from me. Trying to get this paper, I say fuck a hater. Only making time when it's Lizzie or a me. I remember back then I couldn't get no love. Fuck love, had to go and get my funds up. Stack two, all my money runs up. Pray keeps on coming in abundance. This temptation causing me all of this complication. Coming like a fed with the interrogation.
I'm just gonna go and wet it very quickly, and then I'm gonna be back. I've wet my hair. Hopefully you guys can see it. I'm just gonna add a bit of mousse to just kind of set the curls and define the curls a bit more. God, I love the curls of this. Ah, goddamn. So just gonna cut my lace. This is on the best. I think I'm gonna cut my lace off camera, then I'm gonna come back because I can't really see. The hair's pretty much done, but I think just to kind of secure it a little bit, I'm just gonna put some melting spray on it, just a little bit on the lace, just to kind of move it a bit more.
Let me take up the time and I'll take you tonight. Seen a little bit of loving and she's all in her mind. It's so easy to get caught.
Is the finished look. I'm in love with the curls. The texture of the hair is really, really nice. It's super soft. Like even when it first came, like even though you could tell there wasn't any moisture in the hair, but the curls still felt very, very soft, which I like. I love, look how full the wig is. The wig is like super full, so I do love a full wig. And the lace on this, the lace on this is really, really good, but I feel like Westkiss lace is always good, so no shock there. I feel like it's perfect for anybody who is a beginner, who doesn't, even if you're an expert and you just want to do your hair very quickly, I feel like this wig is perfect for you. I didn't do much, only used water and mousse, and I even used just like a teeny weeny bit of that, and I just used some spray to lay the wig down just a bit more, but it can definitely be worn as a glueless wig. It's very tight, it's got a nice strong band. But yeah guys, that's the finished look.